Want to know how to execute your Java code using CMD? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first off, simply open up any code runner. So for me, let's say today I have VS Code. So once you're there, simply create any folder and then type in a file. So my file name right now is test1. So you can just name anything, and I have written this code right here. Now just simply head towards your source bar right here and then type in CMD. Now run it as administrator, and once that is done, your CMD should open. Now what you need to do is type in the directory that your folder is in. That's a very exact. So mine is like this, so just don't forget to type in your folder name as well and then select enter. Now once that is done, we are already inside our folder. Now once you are there, just simply type in java c and then your file name. For me, it's test1 java. So type in test1.java and then select enter. So if there are any errors here, it should be debugged right here. So right here I have an error because I haven't saved the file, it seems. So I'll just save the file right here. Now you can just simply type in again java test1.java. Now there shouldn't be any errors, and there you have it. There is no error. Now in order to execute it, just simply type in java again and then your file name without anything. So just simply type in java and then your file name, and that's it. Here you can see java 17 works is executed, and right here as well java 17 works is written as well, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.